Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have power and water ready. Plug into a 120V outlet and confirm the hose is secure. Open the PowerPoint washing machine interface and load the correct wash module file, not an ordinary slide deck. Once loaded, choose a program template like quick, delicate, or heavy, then set time, temperature, and spin speed. Make sure to preview settings on the control pane because correct parameters prevent fabric damage. Start the cycle by pressing Run and watch the initial diagnostics display for any errors. Once the cycle begins, monitor the real-time status panel, temperature, RPM, remaining time, and any error codes. If you need to change settings, pause the cycle and adjust temperature or spin speed. You can also add 1/2 a load if the door unlocks safely. Advanced features like soak, rinse, hold, or steam sanitize at 60 degrees are useful for tough stains. Enable them before resuming. Make sure to watch the balance sensor. An unbalanced load triggers autocorrect spin adjustments to protect the drum. When the cycle ends, the machine unlocks. Remove clothes promptly and run a quick extract if items feel damp. Clean the lint filter and drain trap, then save the current configuration as a reusable template in the PowerPoint Appliance app to speed future runs. If you see persistent odors, run a maintenance cycle with a descaling or sanitizing option. If things go wrong and you hit error E3, power cycle the unit, rerun diagnostics, and check hose flow before attempting the cycle again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.